How to install Orbi Mesh System using the Orbi app. Place the Orbi router close to your modem. Plug one end of the provided Ethernet cable into modem's LAN port. Plug other end into the WAN port, labeled as Internet, of the Orbi router. Plug the Orbi router into the power with the given power adapter. Wait until the Orbi router's LED light turns solid white. Now, place the satellites on your desired rooms or location, should be placed in reach of the router. Plug each satellite into a power outlet for optimal coverage. Press the sync button on the Orbi router and satellites and wait for few seconds so the devices can connect. Open the App Store, for iOS users, or Google Play Store, for Android users, on your smartphone. Log into your Netgear account, or create one if you don't have it. Begin the setup process by tapping on Setup an Orbi in the app. Now, create an administrator password for router access. This password is separate from your Wi-Fi network password. Select 2 security questions and provide answers. These questions help recover your admin password if forgotten. Tap Save to confirm the new Wi-Fi network name and password. Congratulations on setting up your Orbi Mesh system. Enjoy faster, stronger Wi-Fi throughout your home. Thank you for watching our video.